Hi, Happy New Year to all of you. This new year of 2022 should be a great year for all of you in your business. You achieve your sales and profitability. The most important part. This decade is going to be a decade for the entrepreneurship. Everybody would like to start something or the other. Most interesting and most aspiring for all the startups, all the SMEs, all those businesses which are trying to establish their presence in the market and trying to acquire the market share for their business. Competition is growing day by day. Everybody is trying to achieve the desired goals through innovation, through process, through right set of team, and above all, right strategy. So when everybody is trying to do things in similar fashion, and if you are not doing it in your business, then I can tell you, you will be lagging behind. And when you do so, business will not achieve the desired goals, means sales and profitability. Today in every business, whether it's a service industry or a manufacturing or retail, e-commerce, D2C, every business needs the help of professional touch in your business. And when you try and make better organization for future. So I can only say the most important thing in your business is that work with professional team, create team, work on time management, work on right set of strategy, understand your competition, build right set of processes, build your business in the form of retail, franchising, e-commerce, manufacturing, or service-oriented business. My best wishes to all of you. CGRBrands.com is a business advisory firm. We help businesses grow. Hence, I would say, if you have any business query, if you need any help, support, coaching, guidance, you can connect with us. We'll try and understand your business and try and help you in achieving your desired goals. All the best. Thank you very much. Namaste.